Hi all, this is Mujnak Bishungi. So we are in the lesson of probability. Probability. So in that 14%, in that sub 3 questions I done. Next is the fourth question, that is there is only one jack of hearts. So fourth one, there is only one jack of hearts. So it is one jack of hearts means first we have to know how many jacks are there. So total number of jacks is 13. So number of jacks hearts is 13. In that jack of hearts, the number of comes in the event of getting jack of hearts. So it will be jack will be, wait a minute. So it will be the fourth question is jack of hearts means total there will be jack will be 13. In that they told you to find only the only one jack. One jack means it will be in red color. Red color that is hearts. So two red color, but one red color is hearts and one other one is diamond. So only one possibility. So probability of only one jack. One jack of hearts. It is only one possible. So 1 divided by total is 52. So 1 by 52. Like that. Fifth one is spade. A spade means spade cards. So spade cards are, so you know that in the total spade cards are 13. In that they told you to not red or black. So it will be total. So total will be 13. 13 by 52. That will give you 13 is 13. 13 2s are 52. So it is 51 by 4. Then sixth one, the queen of diamonds. Find the probability of queen of diamonds. So queen, how many are there? Queen of diamonds. Queen of diamonds 13. Queen is 13, but diamonds are 13. But queen is only one queen is there. So queen of diamonds will be 1. So 1 by probability of queen of diamonds. So diamonds are 13, but in that queen is only 1. So 1 by 52. Then 15th one. 5 cards, 10 jack, queen, king and ace of diamonds are well shuffled with their face to downwards. One card is then picked at random. What is the probability that the card is the queen? So first there are 5 cards. Total 5 cards. 5 cards. In that they consist of 10, J, queen, king and A. So digit card one is only one, that is 10 number, jack, queen, king and ace. So you got the 5 cards. In that are well shuffled with their face downwards. One card is then picked at a random. So if you pick one out of these 5 cards, if you pick up one card means, so one card is picked then picked at the random. What is the probability that the card is the queen? So queen is the, so total 5 cards in that queen. So it will be probability of queen is equal to, so only 5 cards means, so total will be 1. So only one chance. So 1 by 5. So probability of queen is 1 by 5. Like that. Second one. This is first one. when if the queen is drawn and put aside, what is the probability that the second card picked is an ace or, so in that only two questions, sub questions. A is one and ace. So read properly. If the queen is drawn and put aside, so you will keep the, you taken the queen card and we kept aside. So remaining will be out of 5, there is remaining 4. So in that, what is the probability that the second card picked is an ace? So ace, queen is over. So remaining is 4. So 1 by 4. Probability of ace is equal to 1 by 4. So the second card is an ace means, so 1 by 4. Like that they are asking you to find out when queen cards is set aside, no queen cards is left. So if we keep aside this one out of 5, so remaining are 10 j k, it is, don't have the other queen, so it will be 0. So probability of second card queen is equal to 0 by 5, that will give you 0. 0 by 5, that is 0 by 4. Okay, 4 cards, no, 1 card is taken. So 0 by 4 is equal to 0. Next, sixteenth one. 12 defective pens are accidentally mixed with 132 good ones. So total 12 defective pens. 12 defective pens are accidentally mixed with 132 good ones. So good ones are 132. 132 good ones. Then it is not possible to just look at a pen and tell whether or not it is defective. So by seeing only we can't tell which is defective or which is not defective. One pen is taken out at random from the slot. Determine the probability that the pen taken out is a good one. So total you have to take good plus defective. Good plus defective. So it will be 132 plus 12. This will give you 144. So total number of possibilities 144. In that they told determine the probability that the pen taken out is a good one. So good one means 132. So good one, probability of good one. We can't include defective. So total 132. Out of that total 144. So it will 12 ones are 12, 11. Then 12 12s are 144. 12 square is 144. 12 into 12 is 144. 11 by 12. So answer will be 11 by 12. A lot of 20 bulbs contain 4 defective ones. One bulb is drawn at random from the lot. What is the probability that this bulb is defective? So 16 question, only one question, only one question. Sub questions are not there. In this, there are 2 sub questions. 17th one, in that first one. A lot of 20 bulbs contain 4 defective ones. So total is 20. You should understand the sentence. Total is 20. 20. Total, a lot of 20 bulbs contain 4 defective. In that 4 are defective. Defective are 4. Then one bulb is drawn at random from the lot. What is the probability that this bulb is defective? So defective are 4. So if you pick that one, so 4 are defective. Total 20 is there. 4 by 20. So probability of defective is equal to 4 by 20. That will give 4 is 4, 4 5 is 20. So 1 by 5. So in terms of 1 by 5, that is the probability of finding the defective bulbs. Then second question. Suppose the bulb drawn is not defective and is not replaced. So now one bulb is drawn at random from the rest. What is the probability that this bulb is not defective? So understand the question. Suppose the bulb drawn in first is not defective. So first card is defective. They are taken the first card. It is maybe defective or not. They told it is not defective. So not defective means defective bulbs remains 4 only. Then now one bulb is drawn at random from the rest. So from the rest of that 19 bulbs, we can take one bulb. In that, what is the probability that this bulb is not defective? So total are 4 are defective. So remaining will be total 19. In that one, total 20. In that one is drawn. After that Second one, if you draw means it is not replaced means we don't take any other bulb because of that. Then from the rest means it will be total 19. So out of 19, the remaining are 15 are P of bulb not defective. Bulb not defective. So this will give you 15 by total is 19, 20 not, because 19 y means they are told in the question first one is already taken, that is not defective. Not defective means remaining defective is 4. So remaining non defective will be 1 is gone, so 19 remains. So 19. So total is 19. In that 15 are 4 are defective means 15 will be non defective. So 15 by 19. 15 by 19. Then 18th one. A box contains 90 discs which are numbered from 1 to 90. If one disc is drawn at random from the box, find the probability that it bears a 2-digit number, a perfect square number, a number divisible by 5. So they told you to contains disc. So how many? 1 to 90. So they are numbered from 1 to 90 discs. In that, if one disc is drawn at random, so we are taking one disc. In that, find the probability that it bears a 2-digit number. So if the 2-digit number from 1 to 90, where it starts up to 1 to 9, it is single digit number. From 10, it starts with a number. So 10 to 90. So 20 and 90 means it will be 81. So total 90. In that 9 single digits, 81 is equal to 2 digit. So 2 digit numbers are 81, but total are 90. So 81 by 90. This will give 9 nines are 9 tens are. So this will be 0.9. This is probability of 2 digit. Probability of 2 digit is equal to 81 by why 81 means the total number of 2 digit number is 81. In that total are 1 to 90. So 90 divided by 90, 9 nines are 9 tens are. So 9 by 10 is 0.9. Then in that second question, a perfect square number. So a perfect square number means perfect square number. So for perfect square number, if you start from the, that is one from the 1 to 90 means 1 is also perfect square. So 1, then 4, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, and 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, and like that 6 square is 36, 7 square 49, 8 square is 64, 9 square is 81. We can't take 90, we can't take 100 because they are told only 1 to 90. So remaining last is 81. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we got the total 9 out of 90. So 9 by 90, that will give 1 by 10. So 9 by 90, this will be give 1 by 10. So 9 by 90 is equal to 9 by 90, that will give you 1 by 10, that will be 0.1. So you got the second, the P of square perfect square number as 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81. Then a number divisible by 5. So a number divisible by 5, divisible by P of divisible by 5. So for 5 condition I told in the previous that numbers are told which from which number divisibility rules I told in the divisibility rules how to find out for the 5. So 5 means it should be last number should be 0 or 5. So if you take from 1, so 5 will start. So 5, then 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90. So these numbers will be divisible by 5 only. So 5, 10, 15, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So total will be 18. So P of divisible by 5 is equal to 18. So 18, total is 18. 18 by, the total numbers is 90. So 90. So 18 by 90 will be 18 ones are 18, 18 5s are 90. So 1 by 5 will give you 0.2. So because 5 is there, 1 is smaller, so you can take 0. So 0.5 2 is 10. So 0.2. 1 by 5 is the 0.2. Why I have to take only this number means it is only divisible by 5. We can't get 4 like that because it is not divisible by 5. So total of the 18. Out of 18, the total is number of disk is 90. So 90, 18 and by 90, 1 by 5.2. Then 19th one. A child has a dice whose 6 faces show the letters as given below. The dice is thrown once. What is the probability of getting A? So, as you see the diagram, as you see the that boxes, they given a child has a dice whose 6 faces. So, 6 faces are there. In that, they are not numbered. They are taken alphabet. So, A, B, C, D, A. So, A is repeated 2 times. Then the dice is thrown once. What is the probability of getting A? So if you see here, there are two types of A. So A and A. So two faces are there. So out of two, you can get any one. So you will get the, so getting A means it will be P of getting A. P of getting A will be total how much? Two are there. Two out of that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total is 6. 2 by 6. It will be 1 by 3. So 2 by 6. Why 2 by 6 means if you throw the dice, we can get that this A or this A. So possible are two conditions. So 2 by total is 6 spaces. So 2 by 6, 1 by 3. Then second one in that P of getting D. P of D. P of getting D. So D means only one possibility is there. So 1 by 6. 1 by 6. So the event of getting a letter D is only 1. So it is 1 by 6. Then 20th. Suppose you drop a die at random on the rectangle region shown in figure 15.6. This one. What is the probability that it will land inside the circle with diameter 1 meter? So this is rectangular. One formula I have done in the previous class, that is example number. So that it is also based on that only. In that circle, so circle. So this is 3 and this is 2. So length is 3, breadth is 2. 2 meter, 3 meter. And they given what is the probability that it will land inside the circle with diameter 1 meter. So diameter of this diameter is 1 meter. D is equal to 1 meter. So what is the probability that it will land inside the circle? So land inside the circle means they are taking this one. So it is full is there. So area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth, 3 into 6. That will give 6 meters square. See, this is 6 meters square. In that they told inside the circle probability. So probability, if area of, you have to find out the area of circle. So pi r square. Pi r square. Pi means 22 by 7. See, they given diameter 1. So but radius will be half of that. So it will be half. Pi r square double, so half into half. So this will be 2 11s. So 11 by 14. So you got the 11 by 7 2s are 14. So 11 into 1 is 11. 11 by 14. So total 6, that in that of area of circle is 11 by 14. So this will be probability of circle means circle is how much? 11 by 14. Then whole divided by, it is 6. So this will give you 11 by 14 into 6 is, so for 14, 6 will go upside. So 2 3s, 2 7s. This will be 33 by 7. 22 by 7, 1 by 2. So 2 1s are 2 11s are. By 11 by 14 in that. Okay, so it will be 11 by 24, 22 by 7. Okay, 11 by this is 11 by 14 and this is 6. So 14 into 6, 11. So 14 will go there outside because 11 by 14 is the area of circle. This one you have taken the favorable outcomes. Total outcomes is total rectangle, that is 6. So 6, 14 into 6 is 84. So you got the 11 by 84. So 11 by 84 is the probability of the circle. Probability of the circle that dice will at random on rectangular. It is drop on rectangular region. Then 21st. Problem. A lot consists of 144 ball pens, of which 20 are defective. So total 21st total is 144. So total ball pens are 144. In that, of which 20 are defective. So defective are 20. Defective 20. Then and the others are good. So 20 defective means remaining is 124. That will be good ones will be 124 because total 144. In that 20 defective means 144 minus 20 will give 124. Then but will not buy if it is so Nuri will buy a pen if it is good, but will not buy if it is defective. So the shopkeeper draws one pen at random and gives it to her. What is the probability that she will buy it? So she will buy it means they given condition that she will take it is only good. So good one means we should not include defective. So only 24. So P of good is equal to 124 divided by 144. So this will give you 4 3s are 21, 4 4s are 4, then 4 3s are 12, then 24, 31 by 36. 31 by 36. So P of good ones she will buy means P of, what is the role that she will buy it? Good ones means she will buy 31 by 36. Then like that she will not buy it. So in that means second question, she will not buy it means 124 are good ones. Not means defective. So defective P of not buy means 20 by 144. This will give you 4 5s are, this is 5, 4 this is 12, 24, 4 5 by 36. So you got the number of defective pens is 20. So not buy means you should not be if she doesn't buy means it will be defective only. So defective are total 20 out of 144. So 20 by 144 will give you 5 by 36. So you can do another method. I don't know when it is. This is good one. This is not good one. So when you do these are good and not good will be make complementary. We can use P of E plus P of E bar is equal to 1. So P of E bar is equal to 1 minus P of E. So 1 minus 31 by 36 will give you 5 by 36. That also you can do. If not, direct defective means 20 by 144. 22nd. Refer to example 13. Complete the following table. So sum on 2 dice. When 2 dice are thrown randomly, the possible outcomes are. So that diagram you see in the example number 13. So that will be 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. Up to 6, 6 is the possibility of the outcomes. If you throw the dice, we can get 2 dice. If you thrown, this will be possibility of the outcomes. So the total will be 36 possibilities. In that they asked you, let A be the event of getting the sum as 3. So they are asking you to getting sum as 3. So 3 means, so you can take 1, 2, 1, 2 and 2, 1. So because 1 plus 2 is 3, 2 plus 1 is 3. So we are getting two possibilities. So 2 possibility means 2 by 36. It will give 1 by 18. So they are asking you to complete the following table. So in that, first is 1 by 36, 2 by 36, that will give you 1 by 18. So it is sum is 3. So for 2, for sum is equal to 2 means, so 2 means 1 comma 1, only one possibility, 1 comma 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So 2 will be 1, only 1 by 36. So sum, when sum is 2 is 1 by 36, when sum 3 is equal to 3 is 1 by 18. So 1 by 36, 1 by 18, like that you find for the 4. 4 means sum is equal to 4 means it will be 1 comma 3, 3 comma 1, 2 comma 2, then 1 comma 3, 3 comma 1, this 4, this is also 2, then any other chances? No. So only 3. So 3 by 36. So sum of the sum is 4 means it will be 3 by 36. Like that up to 12 they given. So I'll tell you in the trick way how to know the numbers up to 12. If the sum is 12, what is the probability? So it starts from 2, because 2 dash thrown means 1 comma 1 will be 2. So 1 will not be there. So 1 comma 0, 0 is not there. So number starts from 1. So 1 comma 1 will be 2. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this will be total number of outcomes for 2 is 1. So make is the less number. So 2 less number is 1. So like that 3 minus 1 is 2. Then 4 1 minus means 3. Then 5 it will be 4. For 6 it is 5. 7 it will be 6. So sum will be 2 means total outcomes will be 1. So if you see this one, total outcome is only 1. So 1 by 36. Like that the 3 means it will be you have to change the one value. So 3 means 2, 4 means 3, 5 means 4, 6 means 5, 7 means 6. Then when you get the sum is equal to 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you reverse this one. So 6 is there. So reverse that as 5. So it will be 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. So first we have to take the up to sum of the numbers as coming 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up to 7. We take the one number less from the starting from 1. So 2 is 1, 3 is 2, like that 7 up to 7 is 6. Then 8 means you have to go down. So 5, 9 means 4, 10 means 3, 11 means 2, 12 means 1. If you take example 12, 6 comma 6. So it is only possible 1. So 1. Like that if you take 10. So possibilities of 10 is 4 comma 6, that will be 10, 6 comma 4, that will be 10, and 5 comma 5, so that will be 10. So only 3 possibility. So we have to take this outcomes divided by, that is probability. So you will get the probability is equal to 1 by 36, then 2 by 36, 3 by 36, 4 by 36, like that you have to write the complete the following table with the help of these outcomes and probability of total possible outcomes. Then the 23rd. Then 23rd problem. So you have to complete by the taking 1 by 36, 2 by 36, like that out to up to 12, that is 1 by, so last is 1, so 1 by 36. Only you have to take the outcomes divided by total number of possible is 36. When 2 dice means it will be 6 raised to n, so 6 square, so it will be 36 possibilities. So as you see the example 13, that is they given the numbers, that is 1 comma 1, so you can understand by seeing it. Then 23rd. So 23rd they given a game consists of tossing a 1 rupee coin 3 times and noting its outcome each time. And if wins if all the tosses give the same result, that is 3 heads or 3 tails, and loses otherwise, calculate the probability that Anif will lose the game. So they are 1 rupee coin. So 1 rupee coin. This is based on coin problem. Then three times they tossed. Three times they tossed. So if it gives same result, then Anif will be Anif will if he wins, if all the tosses will be same result. Same result means so only possible is head and tail. So 3 also head means it will be from which one? His name Anif will win. So if not 3 also tail means he also win. If not, there may be chances of one head, two tail. If not one tail, two head, or one head, one tail, one head, then one tail, head, one tail. So we got the one root card. When you pass the 3 times, we got the results. 3 also head on time and 3 also tail. If 2 times tail and 1 time head, then again 1 time head and 2 times head, then 1 time head, 1 time tail and 1 time, then tail 1 time, head 1 time and tail 1 time. Here is STH, TST, THH, okay, triple H, triple T, okay, then HST, so HST. So if we take double ST, so 1 rupee coin they given. So if they toss 3 times, so 1 coin 3 times cost. So 2 raised to n, I told 2 raised to n. The coin will be in the base of 2 raised to n. So 3 times means 2 raised to 3. So possible will be, total number of possible will be 8. So 3 heads, if not 3 tails, if not 1 head, 2 tail, if not 1 tail, 2 head, then 1 head, 1 tail, 1 head, then 1 tail, 1 head, 1 tail, if not 2 head, 1 tail, then 1 tail, 2 tail, 1 head. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it is possible. So I told you in the first class only, that is 2 raised to n in the formula based on the, that is this probability of coin. So 1 rupee coin 3 times means 2 raised to 3, that will give 8 results. So triple head, triple tail, 1 head, 2 tail, 1 tail, 2 head. If not 1 head, tail, head, then tail, head, tail. If not 2 heads, 1 tail. If not 2 tails, 1 head. So 8 are possibilities. But they told if he wants to win means he will get this one and this one. But I told you to find out the remaining, that which is fail. So the fail means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total will be 6. Probability of fail means total is 6 divided by total number was 8. So 3 by 4. So probability of failing means that will be 6 by 8, that is 3 by 4. Then 24th. 24th they given a dice is thrown twice. What is the probability that 5 will not come up at that time? So here also dice 2 times. So dice is thrown twice. Twice means it will be 6 raised to n, that is 6 raised to square is equal to 36. So 2 times it will be 36 possible. So if we know that for 36 possibilities, I told that 1 come out to 6, 6. They told 5 will not come up other time. So 2 times they are tossing means they are taking the dice means tossing the dice means. So it will they are telling 5 should not come. So 5 should not come means, so which are the, indicates that 5. So 5 table, that is 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5 and 5, 6. So this 6 will be not coming. So out of 36, 6 are gone. And again, which includes 5. So if we see that one, 2, 5. So that will also included 3, 4. That also included 4, 5. That also included. So 6 plus 3, 9. Then 6, 5, 1, 5. So total will be 11. So 11 5s are coming, they are told not 5 should not come. So 5 should not come means out of 36 minus 11. 36 minus 11 will be 25. So we get the 5 will not come means the total will be 25 times. 25 outcomes. 25 by 36. P of 5 not come. 5 not come. 5 not come means, so 5 should not, which indicates that 5 should not be there in the outcomes. So outcomes are 25 because 36 total. In that 11 are 5 included. So it is 36 minus 11 is 25. 25 by 36. Like that. Second one. This is first one. In second one they asked you to 5 will come at least once. So 5 should, I told in the previous that at least means what, same number or more than that. So 5 will come one time, will not, if not 2 times also, or 3 times, 4 times also, more than one. So it is not, they're not told at most. At most means there more than we can't take. At least means we should take from that number to more than how much numbers are needed. So out of that 5 will come at least once. So 5 will come, 5 will come at least. So at least means this is reverse of this one. So I told when they given 5 will not come. See, this is 5 will not come. This will 5 will come. At least is there. So at least means it is 1 or more than that. So it is 1 minus 25 by 36. This will give you 11 by 36. So it shows that this is P, probability of 5 will not come means 25 possibilities. That is for favorable outcomes will be 25. So total is 36. 25 by 36. In that they told you 5 will come at least once. At least once means we can take 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, up to 6 times, or how many times it comes, we can take that one. So instead of that, we find out the 5. So if you take the P of E plus P of E bar is equal to 1, that formula, so you will get the 1 minus 25 by 36, that will be 11 by 36. So you have to, this is very important because we can't write that 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3 like that because it will be time wasted. So you remember like this, up to 2 to 7 it is decreasing number of 1, after 8 it is decreasing the 6 decreasing. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So 24th is over. I think you are understanding what I am telling. So only you have to practice it. 2 days means it will be 36 possibilities. So which of the following arguments are correct and which are not correct? Give reasons for your answer. If 2 coins are tossed simultaneously, there are 3 possible outcomes: 2 heads, 2 tails, or 1 of each. Therefore, for each of these outcomes, the probability is 1 by 3. So if you take that one, 25th question, in that first one, they told you if 2 coins are tossed simultaneously. 2 tossed means it will be 2 raised to 2. So it will be 4 possibilities. 4 possibilities. Then if 2 coins are tossed simultaneously, there are 3 possible outcomes. That is 2 heads, 2 tails, or 1 of each. Therefore, for each of these outcomes, the probability is 1 by 3. So it is in that. Why means if you take the 2 coins are tossed means you will get head head or tail tail, or you can get head tail or tail head. So you will got the 4. So I told when it is tossed 2 times, 2 raised to square, 2 square, that will be 4. So 4 outcomes you will get the as the total possible outcomes. In that they told you to that probability will be 1 by 3. So if you take probability of 2 heads, it will be 1. Only 1 is there, no? So 2 heads means it is only present. So it is 1 head. This is also 1 head. So it is not present in the heads. 1 by 4. So 1 by 4. But that told the probability will be for that outcomes will be 1 by 3. So it is wrong. So you will not get the 1 by. You will get 1 by 4. Then probability of 2 tails. 2 tails means you will get 2 tails is only, this is also 1 by 4 because it is also present is only 1 because it is 1 tail and this is no tail. So it will be 1 by 4. And that P of 1 tail, 1 of each. So 1 of each means P of head tail, that will be So P of let L means 1, 2. So you will get the two terms, that is 2 by total 4. So it will give 1 by 2. So they told therefore for each of the outcomes the probability is coming 1 by 3. So it is incorrect. Why? Means first for 2 8 it is coming 1 by 4. Then for 2 tails it is coming 1 by 4. 2 tails 1 by 4. 2 8s 1 by 4. Then 1 8 1 tail will be 1 by 2. So you will not get the answer 1 by 3. So it is the statements are incorrect because we are getting different answers for the probability. This is the first question. Then second question. If a die is thrown, there are two possible outcomes, an odd number or an even number. Therefore, the probability of getting an odd number is 1 by 2. So it is, we have to tell that is correct or not correct. So first we take that one dice is thrown, there are two possible outcomes, an odd number. So dice means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total are 6 numbers. We can get only 6 numbers for the dice thrown. Only one dice means it is consists of only these numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then in that they told an odd number or a even number. So odd number means there are also 3, 1, 3, 5. Then 2, 4, 6, 3 even numbers. So 3 even numbers, 3 odd numbers. Then condition they given the probability of getting an odd number. So probability of getting odd number. So probability of odd number. So odd number means 1, 3, 5. So 3 are this. 3 by total possibilities 6. 3 by 6 is 1 by 2. So this is correct. They given the probability of if a die is thrown are two possible outcomes, an odd number or even number. Therefore the probability of getting an odd number is 1 by 2. So you got the 1 by 2 as the answer. So it will be correct. First one is wrong because they are not coming in the probability values 1 by 3. So they told 1 by 3, but it is coming 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 2. So second one it is 3 by 6, that will be 1 by 2. So you add this one. One, 3, 5. So only odd number is true. So odd number will be 1 by 2. So for even also it is 1 by 2 because there are also three even numbers, 3 odd numbers equal are there. So this one you have to understand. Then these are the possibilities are written. So you can take directly 3 times means 2 cubes. So 2 cube will be 8. So you can't write this one. Only you have to by rating only you will get that how many are not tails because you will have these two because these he has to win if three terms should be same, but 3 heads, 3 tails. Then it is only possible to with 2 only. After that 6 will be failed. So 6 by 8, that is 3 by 4. So this completes the probability lesson. So total there are 4 types, that is coin, dice, color bags, and last one is based on that playing cards. Only have to remember playing cards, that one which are they, that one total 52 cards. In that 13 spades, 13 clubs, 13 hearts and 13 diamonds. In that 26 black and 26 is red. So red belongs to hearts and diamonds, and spade and club refers to black. Then remaining that is digit cards. Digit cards means 2 to 10. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 9 numbers. There is 9 digit cards starting from 2 to 10. Then in that only four another cards are there. That only K, that is king, J, jack, Q, that is queen, and A, that is ace. So 4 are there. So 9 plus 4, 13 total. So 13 into one card is 4. So 13 into 4 is 52. So you got the total 52. Like that, if they given color bag means you have to take that how many total color bags will be taken as total. That is, if they give two black balls and 2 red balls, so you have to add that 4. That will be total possibilities. And if they ask you to perfect specified on one color, then you have to take that number of favorable outcomes how much they given. So if they given 2 means you have to take 2. If they given 3 means 3. 3 by total you have to take. Like that you have to do. So probability like that. So if you understand this one, you will get the answers easily. So practice it more. So in the next session, I will start the new chapter. So we, if you are seeing the first time for my class, so please subscribe my channel. It is displayed on that. So and if you like it, share it to others, and and it is students having the exam on March 21st. So before that, you can refer these videos. It can help you definitely. So if you feel worthy, then you can share it to others, to your friends. they also see and they will get the good marks. So thank you.